So look at number 3. I'm going to write in purple. Oh, that pen's too thick. So number 3, we have x squared minus 9x plus 20. So the first thing that we need to do is identify A, B, and C. So in this situation, A is 1, B is negative 9, and C is positive 20. I'm extremely confident that each and every one of you can do this. The next step was to find negative B, B squared, 4AC, and 2A. So negative B, what that means is that you're going to do the opposite. That negative is like a negative attitude or negative person. If you're in a good mood, it's going to give you the opposite, the negative. So it's already negative 9. So what is the opposite of negative 9? Positive 9. So our negative B is positive 9. B squared is the same as B times B. So negative 9 squared is negative 9 times negative 9, which is positive 81. So then 4AC is going to be 4 times 1 times 20. Okay, if 4 times 20 seems like really hard for you in your head, then do 4 times 2. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, and then add back that 0. So this one is 80. And then 2A is 2 times 1, so it's just 2. At this point, you have everything you need to build the quadratic formula. So let's set it up. X equals negative B, which is positive 9, plus and minus the square root of B squared, which is 81, minus, let's see, 4AC, which is 4 times 1 times 20, which is 80. And then all of this is over 2A, which is 2. This right here, all this information, this is what you need in order to pass your quiz tomorrow. If you can get to this step, you will have 75% of what you need. So it's not even just barely passing. It's actually a solid, good C. So all we need is a little bit more if you want to be an A. What would be the next thing that I could do to simplify this? What looks like the easiest thing to simplify? The square root part. Okay, so what is 81 minus 80? 1. And what times what is 1? 1. So the square root of 1 is 1. So this, in fact, guys, this is what we've got. We've got 9 plus and minus 1 over 2. So we're going to split it up to the plus and the minus. So 9 plus 1 over 2 and 9 minus 1 over 2. All right, 9 and 1 gives me 10 over 2. What's half of 10? 5. So the first x is 5. 9 minus 1 gives me 8 over 2, and half of 8 is 4. So my answer is x equals 4 or 5. That's number 3. I'm going to tell you right now, number 5 is almost identical. And when I say it's almost identical, under the radical, you should get square root of 1. Take about 2-3 minutes and try to get number 5.